Hey skiers, it's Bob with SkiEssentials.com. Welcome to our 2026 ski test. Got a Volkl Peregrine V-Werks for you today. This is a carryover model from 2025, so same construction, shape, graphic, everything, just another chance for skiers to get on kind of this developmental side of Volkl skis. It's interesting though because now Peregrines have developed even newer skis than this, so this still serves as a template for what is coming down the line, but there are actually newer skis within Volkl's line than this Peregrine V-Werks here. So this one is the old 84 shape and profile, and they use a lighter weight wood core and more carbon in the ski to generate lighter, more energetic energy out of this thing. There are certainly more stable and powerful skis out there, but for how little this weighs, it's pretty impressive what they're able to get out of it. Volkl is always at the forefront of engineering and construction and using sophisticated methods and techniques within their ski building process, and their V-Werks is really kind of their top end, their newest stuff coming down the line. So this thing has a lot going for it, and I really have enjoyed this ski in the past and up to this year in terms of it being just extremely precise, energetic, and quick while delivering just extraordinarily smooth performance overall. But it is built with a lighter weight wood core than the other Peregrine counterparts that are multi-layer poplar beech. This does have a lighter strip of wood in it. And then it uses carbon, like a 3D carbon ridge, as well as tailored carbon tips and tails. So multiple layers of carbon in this ski. And then we also get their Titanal frame as well. So metal along the outsides. And that really does a great job at damping vibrations. Works really well in balance with the carbon, so you get that mix of smooth energy because of the metal and then nice energy because of the carbon. So really cool, kind of integrated systems there. And then they're still using their 3D ridge underfoot and through the tips and tails, delivering more power in the center portion of the ski, as well as 3D glass, which makes the ski stiffer overall. But really fun, a wider front side / narrower all mountain ski for advanced and expert skiers who are looking for something that has a good amount of technology and engineering built into it, and you do get that resulting feel for sure. They also use their low ride XL bindings, so integrated into the ski, really delivers a direct connection of energy from your foot to the boot, then to the ski. By having that system built into the ski as opposed to a drilled in plate that houses the bindings. And then when we get into the shape and profile, we start to see some different stuff here from Volkl as they use a very flat profile. I mean, there is minimal camber underfoot and slight tip and tail rocker in the ends of the ski. So they're kind of going a little bit differently than other skis of 84 millimeter system skis that rely a lot on camber to deliver energy and edge grip. Volkl is relying on the construction. So they're relying on the sophistication of the build and the engineering in order to give the ski its pep and its power rather than building it into the camber of the core. Which is just an interesting way to go about it. I think it makes these skis extremely smooth, and then when you load them up with energy, the metal and the carbon really deliver positive feedback on the tail end. But yeah, overall really nice and smooth, and I like that slightly wider shape in a front side ski. 84 is kind of pushing it when you're talking about true carving, that narrower skis will certainly hold a better edge, more race-like skis for sure, but for something that's really kind of cutting edge, this makes a lot of sense and delivers just a wonderful amount of power, and it is extremely predictable and smooth throughout. Turn radius, we do see their 3D radius here, 24, 15, 21. So more of a slalom-like cut underfoot, and then feel free to let it run. Feel the smoothness of the longer radii at the ends of the ski. I like to think about it and try to, hook into different levels of turn shape within multi-radius side cut skis like this. You can also not think about it at all and just appreciate that the ski is able to make various turn shapes and styles, even within one turn. You know, you can pressure the ski and just feel it move around differently. Pretty cool stuff from Volkl for sure. We do have some feedback from our testers. We have Mark Seminara talking about how this is a quick turner, good carver, great for front side groomers, good carving, and wants to turn quickly. I think that the quickness should be emphasized here because of that lighter weight, and having those tailored carbon tips and tails does make a big difference when you are transitioning between turns. So a lot of sophistication here. Certainly the template for most Volkl front side and all mountain carving skis moving forward. Make sure you check out this Volkl Peregrine V-Werks here at SkiEssentials.com, and we'll see you out there on the hill. Bye.